Okay, yesterday class we have discussed about mathematical tests. Okay, so in that I given some assignment. So Shahid asked a doubt. Okay, once again look at, is it correct the formula? Shahid, can you look at once again? ఇంకోసారి చూసి ఏమైనా చెప్తావా? ఓకే హోల్ పవర్ 1/2 నువ్వు మిస్ చేస్తే ఎట్లా? హోల్ పవర్ 1/2 that means look at here, summation pij qij, summation qij pij, both are same. Summation pij qij, whole power 1/2, whole power 1/2, root. Next, summation poj qoj, summation poj qoj, summation poj qoj, root and root both will get same. Root and root both will get same value. నేను అందుకే చెప్పాను, ముందులోనే రండి, నాకు ఇది మళ్ళీ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసే కష్టం అని చెప్పాను. వినలేదు మీరు. ఒక్కసారి మీరు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసినారంటే, ఎవరైనా పెండింగ్లో ఉన్నారా, వెయిటింగ్లో ఉన్నారు ఎవరైనా? ఇప్పుడు నేను స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ని తీసేయాలి, మరి లేదంటే నాకు కనిపించరు అక్కడ గూగుల్ మీట్. చెప్తే వినరు, ముందులోనే రండి అంటే. రికార్డింగ్ అప్పుడు రైట్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ రూట్కి ఇక్కడ రూట్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ రూట్ ఉంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ రూట్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ రూట్ ఉన్నట్టు చెప్తున్నాను. వదిలేసి కంటిన్యూ చేయి. ఆడ పెట్టేసి క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందని చెప్పేసి ఇంక మధ్యలో మాట్లాడద్దు. ముందులో చెప్పాలి కదా. ఓకే అన్నారు, ఒకసారి వదిలే చెప్పేసి క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందని చెప్పేసి. Okay, look at here, summation pij qij, summation poj qoj. Okay, yeah, so this is nothing but Fisher's value index number. This is equals to value index number. So Fisher's satisfies factor reversal test. So circular test we already discussed. Now the final only one left, that is another one. Okay, unit test. The fifth one is very simple thing, unit test. Just 2 lines we can write it. It requires that the formula used for the construction of an index number should be independent of the units in which in prices and quantities of various items or quoted or quoted. This test is satisfied by all formulae except simple aggregate of price and quantities. It's very simple, that's all. Unit test. That means the items which you collected, it should be independent of their measurements. That should be either if it is kilos or liters or if it is meters, anything we can consider as that. It should be independent of that. So in general we call it as unit test. Okay. So first test is very simple, second test is very simple. Sorry, fifth unit test is also very simple. The second one, third one, we have some little bit mathematical things. Whereas the fourth one also circular test, we do only for geometric mean of price relatives and Kelly's fixed weight index number. We do for those two formulas only. Okay, right. So this is what unweighted and weighted index numbers. Okay. Still we need to solve some more problems. After the class I will post you the assignments. Okay. Some plenty of questions I collected, I will post you. Okay. Now we will move to another topic. We will move to another topic. We will move to another topic, that is next topic, chain based index numbers. Chain based index numbers. Chain based index numbers. Okay. Write down the steps, okay, or methodology to find the chain based index numbers. Okay, write down steps in the construction of chain based index numbers. Construction of chain based index numbers. Okay, just a minute. Oh. Sorry, right now. First thing is obtain link relatives. Right now, obtain link relatives for each year by expressing the current year prices, current year prices as a percentage of preceding year's price. Obtain link relatives for each year by expressing the current year price as a percentage of preceding year prices. So that is denoted by RJ, that is simply Pij by Pi minus 1j into 100. If the prices of more than one commodity is given, then we obtain the link relatives for each commodity and average them. చూద్దాం. After writing this theory, we will do one problem so that we will understand it better. Okay, right. Next, these percentages are chained. That means link. One is linked with the previous one. Chained together by successive multiplications to form a chain index. Chain index numbers can be calculated. Chain index numbers are then computed using the formula. Chain index equals to average link relative of current year into chain index of preceding year by 100. So if we are calculating at 2019, we use the previous prices 2018. For 2020, we use 2019. If the data starts at the beginning, say for example some 2010, so for first year, the beginning of the year, preceding year, we do not have the data. So for that one, what we have to do is, for the first year, we take 100 is the index number. 100 is the index number. That means chain index for first year equals to 100. Okay, yeah, just this is the procedure. That's all. We'll go for one formula. We'll go for one problem so that we will understand better. Actually, right. For the following data, for the example, for the following data, calculate fixed base and chain based index numbers. For the following data, calculate fixed base and chain based index numbers. Year, price. Say for example some 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. Yeah, enough. 5 years is enough, so that calculation will be easy, so that we will understand a better formula. First we need to observe what it is. Some prices, say for example some 30 rupees, 50 rupees, 65 rupees, 75 rupees, some 90 rupees. Just keep it, all 5 multiples. Here consider 2010 is a base year. Consider 2010 is a base year. Okay, yeah. Fixed base index number. First thing is fixed base index number. Okay, right now fixed base index number. Base ఎంత అని చెప్పాడు? 2010. 2010 as base. 2010 as base. 2010 as base. This is simply what is the fixed base year price here? What is the fixed base price here? 30. Fixed base price is 30. క్లియర్గా ఉందా స్క్రీన్ వాయిస్ అంతా? ఎవరైనా ఒకరు మధ్యలో సరే, ఓకే. సో కన్సిడర్ 2010 ఈజ్ ఏ బేస్ ఇయర్. నౌ హియర్ బేస్ ఇయర్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ 30. సింప్లీ 30/30 into 100. Next one, 50. What is the fixed base here? 30. 50/30 into 100. Next, 65/30 into 100. That's all. Fixed base index numbers are, that's all. Whichever the year they consider, 2010, you just make it, its price is fixed, then do the index numbers. So here 75/30 into 100 equals to 90/30 into 100 equals to, anybody fast? Can you do the calculations? Anybody please? 30/30 into 100. And the next, $166.7. Next, 65/30 into 100. సరే, అది బంద్ చేసుకో. చాలే పాయింట్ తర్వాత. వెరీ గుడ్, దట్స్ ఆల్. బంద్ చేసుకో మైక్. ఎందుకు అంత పక్కన సౌండ్ దగ్గర కూర్చోంటారు అందరూ మైక్ ఆన్ చేస్తూనే? నెక్స్ట్, to get chain based index number, first we need to find link relatives. First we need to find link relatives. Link relatives. Simply, for this year 2011 here, you consider 2010 is the base. That means 50 by 30 into 100. Next, for the year 2012, for the price 65, you consider 50 is the base. For this 75, consider previous 65 is the base. For consider 2014, 2013 is the base year, and take that corresponding prices is this one. This is what we have seen in our formula. Look at here. What is this formula? Look at this link relatives. Price of ith year divided by price of previous year. This is what link relatives. This is what link relatives. Are you getting? Pij by Pi minus 1j. For 2010 you take 2009. For 2012 you take 2011. That is it. Okay, right. Okay. Can anybody please fast? ఎవరైనా ఫాస్ట్గా చెప్తే ఈ క్యాల్కులేషన్స్ 50 by 30 into 100 ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్తారా, లేదంటే నేను రాసేయమంటారా? మీరే రాసేయండి అంటారా? 50 by 30, 166 point, okay, enough, 0.1. $130, 115.4. కనిపిస్తాను చూడు. 120 is 120. Yeah, tell me. ఏమన్నా ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ? రైట్. నెక్స్ట్, chain based. Now come to chain based index numbers. Here we just calculated link relatives. Based on this we need to find chain based index numbers. For chain based index numbers, first one we do not have it. Here also we do not have it. If you look at the chain based index number formula, based on that what we'll get here is, okay, first write down this link relative 166.7 7 into previous one. Here we do not have it, you can consider here just 100. So into 100 by 100. So in the first thing you will get it same value. Okay, next one. For this one, what you do is for this 130, take this one 166.7 divided by 100. See, link relatives we calculate using of current year number divided by previous year number into 100. Now for the chain based index number, you take the link relative here and then first time only you consider 100 divided by 100 is common, you will get it the same value. In the next time you take the link relatives of 2011 here and chain based index number of previous year into divided by 100. Yeah, tell me that one. Do the calculation. After that only we can do it. 130 into 166.7 divided by 100. This is 271. Okay, right. Now for 2012, sorry, 11, 12, yeah, for 2013, you just take this link relative 1.54 into chain based index numbers of previous year 216.7 by 100. Yeah, do it. 71. This is 71 into 115.4 into 216.71 divided by 100. How much? 250.08. Yeah. Next, take this link relative here 120 into, take this one here 250.08 by 100. 120 into 250.08 divided by 100. This is 300.09. Yeah, this is chain based index numbers. That's all. This is chain based index number. Fixed base index number, chain based index number. Nothing else. Nothing else. This is another chapter actually. In this chapter again we have two more formulas. Okay. Before that I will give you some problems based on the already we discussed weighted and unweighted index numbers problems. Okay. Yeah. So this is fixed based and chain based index numbers. So once again I am repeating this. For the following data, calculate fixed base and chain based index numbers. Consider 2010 is a base year. Here 5 years prices are given. Either if they given 10 years or 15 years, whatever be the so, procedure is same one. Year, price, fixed base year. So 2010. Just keep it everywhere denominator with that particular year price and do the calculation. That is fixed base year. That is fixed. Next, link relatives. Link relatives. In that case, what you do is to get link relatives, take this 2011 year price divided by previous year. Next, take 2012 previous 2011. Do 2013 previous year 2012. Take 14 previous year. Based on this, again, first one is link relative. First only we consider this is 100. This is fixed by 100. For any problem, here it is 100 is fixed. For the next problem, you take this link relative here and this is here. Next, take here and then this is here. Take here and then this is here. This is chain based index numbers. This is chain based index numbers. Okay, here I want to give you some problems. Okay, do it. I will give you exercise, some 2-3 problems I will write it on here. Okay, very few of you submitting the assignments which I am giving in the class, whereas others not at all responding. Anyway, one day I will check all your notebooks and your assignments and everything. One day, either next Monday or Tuesday, everyone you want to on your video and audio and you want to show your notebook to me. I will check through virtually. ఇలాగే వీడియో క్లాసుల్లోనే మీరు ఓపెన్ చేసి నాకు చూపించాలి చెప్తున్నాను. సింపుల్గా కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుంటారా, ఒకేసారి డిఫికల్ట్ చేసుకుంటారా చూసుకోండి. ఏ రోజుకి ఆ రోజు అప్పటికే అయితే ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడే కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తాయి అప్పటికే. సో నెక్స్ట్ టైం మీరు రిపీట్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు ఇమీడియట్గా ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, రైట్. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ప్రాబ్లం. Compute simple or unweighted index numbers for the following data. Commodity A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So 10 observations. Okay, here 10 observations. Just we require price in 2015. Price in 2020. Consider 2015 as base year. 2015 as base year. 5, 6, 1.7, 2.1, 1.81, 2.14, 7.16, 8.96, 9.86, 6.89, 6.1, 7.2, 2.76, 2.67. Sorry, అంత తేడా అంత 1.93, 2.74, 8.14, 9.14, 10.12, 12.14. Sorry, ఎంత చేంజ్ లాస్ట్ కలిసి 8.91. Yeah, prices are enough for unweighted index numbers. Aggregate, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. These 4 unweighted index numbers should find for this data. Okay, right. క్వాంటిటీ ఇస్తే వెయిటెడ్ ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ అవుతాయి. క్వాంటిటీ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి అన్వెయిటెడ్. అప్పుడే మర్చిపోయినా ఫస్ట్ రోజు క్లాస్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చూడు. అన్వెయిటెడ్ సింపుల్. దేనిపైన? ఓన్లీ ప్రైజెస్కే కదా చేసినది. మరి నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఫర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ డేటా commodity A, B, C, D, E. F, 6 commodities. Commodity base year 2010. Price, quantity. Current year, sorry, and date price, quantity. Price 12.1, 13.2, 14.3, 8.6, 9.7, 7.8. Quantity 200, 120, 500, 150, 350, 160. This is 200. Next, price 13.1, 14.2, 15.6, 9.5, 10.1, 8.7. Quantity 210, 200, 550, 200, 300, 200. For the following data, check time reversal test, factor reversal test for last year, Pashi, Drobishbole, Marshall Edgeworth, Walsh, Fisher. Index numbers. ఏమంటున్నాం ఇక్కడ? ఇచ్చిన డేటాకి టైం రివర్సల్ టెస్ట్, ఫ్యాక్టర్ రివర్సల్ టెస్ట్ చెక్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నాం. See, in the previous class we discussed with formula. Theoretically we said time reversal test satisfies Fisher index number, whereas come to the factor reversal test, only Fisher index number only gets satisfied. The same formulas you use with these quantities, and I will see how much you understand this one. Check time reversal test, factor reversal test for these index numbers, whether satisfies or not. Whether satisfies or not. Mathematically you know which one are satisfying or not. Now you need to check. Okay, right, this is your assignment.